Hey guys, I have one charging port for 4 batteries, so I need a alternative way of dealing with this, and I found this on the internet. This one is a Morpilot. It charges 4 Mavic Pro battery all at once in sequences. It was designed to charge the one with the most charge to the least charge. So let's open this up. Let's take a look here. So this is designed to just take the original DJI Mavic charger and then charge sequentially each one of these. So let's take a look at the battery. So this one's 1, this one's 2, this one's 3. So this one should be charging first, okay? So let's just put this on number 2. And if this is what it's claimed to be, that it only charges the highest battery first and then it goes around and charges the low one. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so it's reading the first one, reading the second one. It's looking at all the voltage. Let's go into the third one. And reading the voltage and the amperage. Oh, great. So it knows this one is the one with the most charge, so it's going to go ahead and charge this one first. Looks like it's doing what it's claiming to do. Charging all 4, not at once, but in sequences. Starting with the one with the most charge and going around. So that's exactly what it did. It went on channel 2. So I'm not sure where it goes afterwards, but it has a nice display here. So this volt, this is the amp, this is channel that's charging. Hey, $23. Neat little alternative to buying a whole full 4 port charging. Maybe the other ones are more expensive because it charges it all at once 4 times, but honestly I don't need to charge it all at once. This is sufficient for me because I'm going to use up 4 batteries and then I'll be done for the day. I charge at night, I'm finished, I'm ready to fly in the morning. This also works with your Mavic Pro car adapter too, if you have one. That looks like it's pretty reliable so far. Alright guys, if that's helpful, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe button if you like. Thanks for watching.